Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget